sure I packed some brushes. They've got to be here.
Well, that's a perfect waste of a great painting day.
Desperate times,
Desperate measures.
they should be in here somewhere. Crisis averted. Where would Zorro be without his signature sword? An artist's greatest weapon is our brushes, especially when you find that truly magnificent scene. All you want to do is go into battle. But before I do that, I want to show you some of the techniques and go over some of those ideas that I use for finding those fantastic killer scenes. But if I'm going to get back in time for class, premium economy isn't going to make it. Time to fly. I'm Whisson the Grey. Here I am in Dordogne, France. It's our first stop. It's a location that is just oozing with subject matter, so charismatic. I can't wait any longer. Let's go and explore and see what we can find. One of the most important parts I find when I'm looking for subject matter is not only to take what's in front of me, or to the right or to the left, because most of the times it could be something that is actually right behind me that I've actually just walked past. So that's why I always like to stop, pivot, and just see what we can get. Have a look at that. That's just magnificent. Really is resonating beautifully. The darks, the lights, the texture of the tower, all that brickwork. It's just magnificent. Can't wait to sort of delve into that. Oh, actually, let's have a look over here. Oh, that's great. Have a look at those darks and lights. We can really use those to bounce off each other. The ornaments are just another little extra. The art gods have truly been on our side. I think this has been time really well spent. So let's get off to Avignon. Oh, this has got some marvellous light here. There's just scenes galore. Can't believe how lucky I am. So let's just have a little look and analyse some of the subject matter. So let's take this one in here. So if I get down, I can really use the perspective a little more. It's backlit. What I really want is some figures just walking through that middle area, but a little closer to the light. So I'll just capture that one. And then we'll just swing around. And there we come through. There's another shot there with the triangles. But with this scene, it's so much more impressive with this little bit of altitude. It's the Pope's Palace. It's the centerpiece of Avignon. Have a look at those really sharp lines. That's what's going to drive the painting. We're really aiming to get something going with this one. And if I just bring it vertical, that's going to get all of the shot in, and that's where we get it. Just bringing that really lovely vertical shape in. The phone will distort the edges, the lines, so we're going to have to watch that as well. But that can be fixed later. So I think I'll just bring in one more angle. If I bring in that tree on the left, go down, and that's where I'll get it from. Well, I think it's time to move on. Subject matter here has been marvellous. The shadows, the light, the shapes, just incredible. But time to move on to Venezia. Gotta love technology. Here we are in Venezia, one of the really magical places. There's rock scenes over there. We've got cliff faces. I think I'll just have a little look back here. So with the light coming out, I could zoom in here, and there we got the first one. But then we've got the lovely church tower where we can come in higher, up higher. And sometimes it's even good just to come down a little bit as well. I think I've got enough from here. I think we've done. It's time to blast off to our final destination. Ah, she's out of juice. Time to Bill Bixby it.
I know you say that you're sorry, and that might be true. No matter how bad you hurt me, I go back to you.
Talk about getting some brush mileage in. It's been a great adventure. If you'd like to get some of the reference images that I've personally selected from this trip, click in the comments below. Well, I think I can see a better place to do my demo, so let's go and join the class. Time to hit the road, folks.